हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं डीएवी क्लास 7 साइंस चैप्टर 8 ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इन प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल का ABCDE पार्ट्स। तो आगे बढ़ने से पहले तो आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर ले ताकि क्लास 7 से रिलेटेड वीडियोस आपको मिल सके। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले आपका ए है fill in the blanks. Water and mineral transported to various parts of a plant by a network of tubes called xylem. Second है dash is the respiratory carrier in blood. Hemoglobin, the upper chamber of heart are known as dash while the lower chamber are known as dash. तो पहला में हो रहा एट्रियम एंड दूसरा में हो रहा वेंट्रिकल। डैश इज द मसलर वॉल दैट डिवाइड्स द हार्ट लेंथ वाइज। सेप्टम, एक्सक्रेशन इन यूनिसेलुलर प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल टेक प्लेस थ्रू डैश डिफ्यूजन। राइट ट्रू फॉल्स। फर्स्ट, phloem transport food from the leaves to the other parts of the plant. True. Transpiration is harmful for the plant. False. Oxygenated blood from the lungs follow into the left atrium and then to all other parts of the body. True. Arteries carry the oxygen deficient blood back to the heart. False. Platelets help in the clotting of blood. True. The red color of the blood is due to the presence of plasma. False. Urine is passed out of the body through the urethra. True. Tick the correct option. A process that helps in transportation in unicellular organism is diffusion. In plants, water is transported by the xylem. The blood vessels having thick elastic wall are called arteries. Which part of the blood has hemoglobin? RBCs. Urine gets collected in the urinary bladder. D. Answer the following question in brief. First, what will happen if the xylem tissue gets damaged in a branch of a tree? Answer. If the xylem tissue gets damaged in a branch of a tree, the transportation of materials such as water and minerals would not be possible there and that branch of tree would automatically die. Define transpiration. Answer. Transpiration is the evaporation of water molecules in the form of water vapor from the plant surface, especially from the stomata on its leaves. Name the 3 types of blood vessels. Answer. 3 types of blood vessels are as follow: arteries, veins, and capillaries. State any 2 functions of the blood. Answer. 2 functions of the blood are as follow: it helps to distribute the digested food to all parts of the body. Second, blood transport oxygen and carbon dioxide gas in the body. 5. Define the term pulse rate. Answer. Pulse rate is the number of times that our heart beats per minute. Part E. Answer the following question. Question number 1. Briefly explain the transport of water and mineral in plants. Answer. Plants obtain water and mineral from the soil with the help of their roots. The absorbed water and minerals are transported to the other parts of the plants by the network of tubes called xylem. Second, describe in brief the function of heart. Answer. Heart pump blood to the different parts of the body. When the heart muscles contract, they squeeze the blood through the atria and then through the ventricles. Oxygenated blood from the lungs follow into left atrium and then to all parts of the body. Deoxygenated blood returning from the body follow into the right atrium and then to lungs for oxygenated. Third, State the function of the three types of blood vessels. Answer. The function of the three types of blood vessels are as follows. First, arteries carry oxygen-rich blood from the heart to all other parts of the body. Second, veins carry the oxygen deficient and carbon dioxide rich blood back to the heart. Third, capillaries surrounding body cells and tissue to exchange substance, water, minerals, and others. Question number 4. Give one function each of RBC, WBC, and platelets. Answer. One function of RBC, WBC, and platelets are as follows. RBC carry oxygen from the lungs. WBC protect our body against infections. Platelets help in clotting of blood. Question number 5. Draw a neat and well-labeled diagram of the human excretory system. आपके बुक के पेज नंबर 123 में ह्यूमन एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम का डायग्राम दिया हुआ है। आप उसको कॉपी में बना लेंगे। वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। मेरी आप सभी से एक रिक्वेस्ट है, विनती है कि नीचे रेड कलर का सब्सक्राइब बटन पर क्लिक करके आप हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर ले। धन्यवाद।